That let the weak say, I am strong. Edu baby a obehu se sofo bi nso brage te se de na Paul brage say, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I am telling you, say, osofo na waka say I can do all things. You may too because of light bay. Who be footballers no osofo awagin. You are dumb, I'm telling you. You guys are supposed to respect prophets and you stop that nonsense. I'm going to attack men of God. I'm going to attack woman. I'm going to attack woman. Me wushia me na we yes be attacking me. I'm telling you.
I was a fear that a chair we na 29th May 2026. And I was some better Ghana Prophet Isaac Ofori ya wo ye sofopeni awo Kumase beto just say so free adani benkum so akwa ya reposam de among the church members na the man in some no eyen one say wo ye program ya the program no ADD breaking the demonic ports na busia wo ye program no ya program ni kwa na wie no and wo ka che ne members na say wo hu say ne honhom no e fi ni mu akwa wa ya wontimi nche honhom no emment members no emmom paye emfama no say the program no e koso no na sofo tini so su saa say busia na sofo no de nani ehu say wo ba bewu eje wiase ho akọ na eno ebeso monten so no ene o Ghana fo be ka say ye patre say asofo yi mo na mo si bibi e ba mo hu na ne eye de na hu wo de wontimi anso ano ye obi dia nka sofo ba be ka na mpo apart from ono aka so be ka say wo hu say honhom ni fi ni makwa asofo aka wo Ghana ha enti obi e hu say sofo yi bibi say ba be si ye mba bibi dia ma na ebi so kire say o nipa bia de ewo da homo bia say nipa bia wu no saa so ana asofo so ti wo te so we no be ye nkomo a na ekoso na Ghana fo bi nti wo mo kwa say asofo ewu mpofimu so na wo mo ewu no so ayi asofo a wo mo ye mate wa da so na me no ye ka say Prophet Ogyaba abekasa no the response ama wo mo a ekasa answer me na ye bekwa ko say the response no too much gh and you message so me subscribers no so dem ya no wa kai say the bell no be kan wo say na be na upload me to the first person ya wo sabedi ka Prophet Ogyaba ebe ye live and I watch say ansem na ekoso no so wate no person o ka kire Ghana fo pray enye pray fa say asofo enye exceptional e wo bibia mu se na ye didi nom homeda na etimi nya yare nya kwancha na saa na asofo so eya na haw no wo mu kumu bi nempo asofo no kwa eya na wo mu haw no eso chen ye church members na ne eya na se asofo no eya na wo ni obi a ya wo koka ne haw na temi se wo member no wo de ekosofo nti se asofo no so de ba hwan ho na wo de kwabusu ma yenko si Ogyaba se ne wo ka ne nsem no esify
Me share video bi wo social media no so. Na me share video no. Na say eye osofo bi a oya asori na owu wa asori ho. Na me share comment nkofo pass. Me share din am se munnim de mokeka. Share asofo die ho. Eden papa. Eden pa. But ya na muhunu. The nice side and nkwa. Because say trust them na can say let the weak say I am strong. Inti eno no ekata ye odie so. Ekata sofu bia ye odie so. That let the weak say I am strong. Edu baby a obehu se sofu bi nso brage te se de na Paul brage say I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I am telling you say osofu na waka say I can do all things no. You may too because of light bay. The worker say I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me no. Ye too no because of light bay. Obi o say I can do all things no. Ebi anu wako renti asase. Obi o say I can do all things no. Odeka. Minim sofo bi a last month na otimi atwa ne pulpit ka. Oko free pulpit. Inti ade na ode Bible ato so ka nyame asama kire o no wako free edaka so. Hey, man tena baby nkasa asofu juma ye na like momfa respect biya mfa ma asofo osofo nso ye adwuma se wo bu footballer se wako gina park so no dimirika edi ade a ya hyem frama de agum ekwa ha no de akiri ekwa ha no de akiri no de ne na bubom wo bu footballer se no osofo a wagini se wo bu footballer esne osofo unyansa na wo fom. You are dumb, I'm telling you. Because obi mu ema yamfre footballer say omra no omra mesie no. Footballer has got nothing to do with your wedding plans. Footballer has got nothing to do with a funeral. Onu odu ho obonsan wi awoko. But for someone to come and pray for you before they will bury you, Masa, who musof now be footballer? What Jimmy? Me sana mi huno. Nya fe ni eba to sebe. E won your man you maybe hu. You respect a footballer who will go on the field, play the whole day. Then you disrespect a prophet or a man of God who will be praying for you. Footballer will play for you to watch, and the prophet will pray for you for your transformation. Now who be footballer no? That disrespect the prophet. Masa, we nyansa wo from. Talkative for say, how do we know you are a prophet? Nipa na onu nyame afre no, onu akase wonim no hu se nyame afre. How do you know you are a man? How do you know you are a man? If you know you are a man, the one who has been called, it is between the one who has been called and the God who called him. Obi say na osofo na asofudie de etwasa mekoti asori. Besne kwohwe sofo bi hye mekira ha. No Talkative, I don't have time for your nonsense. Why? I don't have time for your nonsense, and I'm not here to prove anything to you. Even the Bible says those people who believe, he said many who will believe. Also, do what dini di no. And not actually be said. Maybe I'm not a common sense member. That's your own cup of tea. No one has invited you here. Come out for there. For Jimmy Kope baby da. Why? When he no cry, yes, you didn't attend because we didn't was asem. Now wow. Well, no can say a ye. Anuti, we should learn how to respect people. We should learn how to mind our businesses. Okase nyame adwuma eno no. Yesu kura ni buofu, Yesu kura buofu atwen ba. If I am called by God or not called by God, is that your business? It's none of your business, man. Yes, who Jimmy, and I'm saying Jimmy, no. We are not here to give you evidence. If you want evidence, come to church. So, as of the anya is a sao. Anya is it? On say yes, so for be jina so dem sa wo hu ya said. Or like almost wo sa na. Yay. Na wakwa respect footballer. Wa ba be disrespect me. Na me de wo ho achew. Me wo hia na disrespect me me tu ani so ama. Make two and so straight because you don't know what you are doing. Honestly, we prophets and the pastors, the rate at which people would disrespect those men of God on the land, but they drew a year time where the time and no more soften. We okay. Supposed to even disrespect a man of God. It's an error. Hey. me ba Frank o nya video call no na offer frame no mrefi. So when you are starting life, you need a man of God. You need a prophets, pastors, apostles, and all those people. Don't underestimate them. It's wrong. Adena wo ayi mo pese obi mra mehira wa ware so no wan kofa the day are you say omra mehira so. Ye. Adena obi wu a mo konkofa eye ayi hwan kra akra mbo players ni bi di mame mankofa Samuel Janso omra no o mebọ mpa ye ne yemfa ne to adaka ka obo so be ye ne tise football be wo funu na gon be bi obekwa akoto no because enya ne field no. You guys are supposed to respect prophets and you stop that nonsense. You guys are supposed to juma na ye simple sa. Yay. It is a me hunu se wo bi trotro ngwase asem wo na bokarate sa minya obi akran fan hwe ni da o de da kuhia me na try am attack men of God mo attack wo mo me wuhia me na wo ye so obi attack me am bo I'm telling you. Yes no mba no mbeka chen say ohini Herod hwehwe no wo se mo koka chen sa sakraman sa afi na ade na like yes why the step. Oh, yes, you say, or why you paying so pan or social media so anka by now. Na achieve your crown or copet or quashe bibi or so who's answer ban or domain or domain achieve which yes or musa say na Adriana or domain on Adriana any day. Adriana Yanishu or koye who say Diana and swaba or domain. As you have for the check in Nedriana or do me, dear 1 year and a shade. Now what about pass rubbish, comment rubbish. What I used to do no better. Yea, a dear crown, one pass comment, a piano one gaso. We'll go on Nedriano or Cassie Biana so about checking Nedriano so about or Cassie Biana or Benny Party Biamuno. When you say nipa make Jimmy too much. When him say Judas Iscariot, what Uncle first word in the bonnet chair, or for the bonnet and no, oh bonnie dear, Jesus killed Judas Iscariot. If you care to know, he cursed him. What say? Ye nam suman sunti biya bebano. Say ya ngunim panke ye. What see die? Yes, yeah, Jojo bless. Say master, you talk too much. That is why you are watching me. I am too important than your father. That's why you are watching me. So keep watching me. All right. Keep watching me. Obeshano. Na onene ma ame ne da o. Ammo brafo ni bi. Hwe nanim. To ba bi koda. Ohin Herod kura Yesu adidi natam. Na wa wo ne ma ame ne da. When you are about to make a family, you need a pastor. So they are the highest commodity so far. You get my point? You need a pastor. Because what drawing, ube here suffer. Yeah, two dinya, ube here suffer. What shabra boss now after we jam and when you know, you sanko share kunu, na mobe warrior still na we here suffer. So, as of you many is how it's not easy. Who told you you can attain it on a silver platter? Do you know the number of men of God who are dying these days? Most of them are dying out of frustrations because they can never come out to voice it out. Occultic pastors, we like it, we love it. And I also year member. And mommy me too. I'll cry the Ujimi cried the nothing I come on me you are too good. Mommy me too, me too are not still now you watch me. I said, Jojo bless, I've muted you, eh? Oh say, I dare not. And yet me and I'm saying, my son could swim who baby I be mute. That means me young man just me focus so I mean meeting ya social media. Share a yellow swan who say also for be a free moon. Uncle for bash or comment section ho. Say who are sorry let me pick January. My brother, I miss you, sir. Share. As of you say you son. My apostle, how are you, sir? Sir.
I'm fine, no differ. Na apomuti saying.
I'm here to they say they share social media no so na osofo bia wo ye side he ya na tramadolfo ni bi trotro nsegu na de mu mi am se ma me no make kamade wa ade me kai be kopa
Aba ku ya. Ayi ni mu ma se Togo for balloon. Akoya ni mu ma se ayi to me ko akoya no cancel phone me ko he ni profile picture. Wo ni mu ma ase yi Benin for bentoa. We Jimmy too. Well, also for ya na omodwen say. Oh yeah, so far. Not just say was say we timid. O can say bi eya metaka pa. Metaka say omo eya omo ka say yenya ti say Yesu. Yenya ti say Yesu no. Say asofo aye wo Ghana ha. Ye say ye ti say Yesu anka obi enka.
aka mi say
Because omo ahwe me na me ka me kire ho. Omo ahwe ayi Kumawood Jesus film saa ema omo dwene say send ya Jesus film America Yesu no waye no ho bote Yesu no onye bote saa ene obi asori opese oye sofo me wo ye me onye gbemi me nso ma ye wo onye gbemi oye mu aboa me ye wo aboa oto nsa meto me nsa ni bi because ye yi enwura ni free wa
na buoku
ena me ka chon ena me ka chon
so ofamiame akoma nso akwa no di agoba buoku me wuhyiam na yo adwen say ena me shia sofo so you be disrespecting me then you come closer you come and mess around the way I will beat you the way I will beat you
Busa say Yesu Kristo no eba ni say na Yesu ka kire nesuafo ne say omo nkonkoto omo ho niama no omo fesika no mfanto sika mfanse omo sika no no omo di ko twitwa jene anasa omo no be pai amane it was for defense maybe am catch us for say don't sit down say ayi obi ebe and it's not just asofo Christopher ankasa ebinu ejimi too much man tena ho ma obi emfa wo sika enwa nanka me to be live so yeah live no aba be tro fake prophet Jimmy abua wait o si uni omu na ye fake prophet na me ye fake am ye webusuani me a fake who nipa na wo catch me say fake prophet no watade ye fake mpaboa ye fake ushu ye fake ubibia ye fake na prophet to ye fake na wuti
apostle yeah me yin say omkate timidity is stupidity. No, timidity is not stupidity. Sometimes we can be so calm, but if you are messing around, we have to put you to a right position. No. Say me get
that's it.
Yes, no. Say Herod the Shishan. I said, "No, that say what reply?" Catch you say, "What catch the sasa kramani say?" Now I say, "We Herod the tea. She." She papa na adwendwen na wu Yesu onu kasa ba eku wonye now wo hine kra na Yesu akeka na adwa che nse ase Yesu afro Yesu na ka wo ba na aba be keka nsamfu na Yesu agya o se
Na Yesu oba e na so Yesu ba no baby eti e na ka wo tro nsamfo saa ka yo se ode wo ho be chew Yesu Kristo o ka se mbi na eme de pa wo si edue bi o si ne ba bi a onya Yesu boni bi a na Yesu Kristo akọ no mo na wakwa kodume wakwa kodumi bia no Now can person where you will need to and can yes what TikTok.
I was a prophet Ogyaba ne life yi ya wo ye ne yakwakuti e de aba no mese so we dey adwenche e wo comment section ho e de mami all the social media handles no e too much gh all subscribe like no wa share na afoforo so enye bi ahwe makra.